How to change HDFC ATM PIN. First of all, take your HDFC ATM card and visit any HDFC ATM machine nearby. Insert your card into the ATM. After inserting the card, wait for the machine to process and then select your preferred language. Next, choose the menu option on the screen. From the available options, select Change your ATM PIN. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new 4-digit ATM PIN. Enter your new PIN and then re-enter it to confirm. The machine will take a moment to process your request. After successful processing, you will receive a confirmation message saying your ATM PIN has been changed successfully. You will also get a receipt for this transaction. Finally, don't forget to take your ATM card out from the machine. And that's it. Now you know how to change HDFC ATM PIN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.